Well, hello there. Welcome to a day that promises to be absolutely sizzling with excitement. Whether you're a seasoned grill master or just starting out, today's adventure is all about embracing the joy of outdoor cooking and making memories that last far beyond the final bite. Ready to fire up the grill and make a steak that'll have everyone talking? There's something magical about gathering in the backyard, the sun shining, and the anticipation of a delicious meal bringing everyone together. There's nothing like the smell of a perfectly grilled steak on a sunny day. The sizzle, the aroma, and the laughter of friends and family set the stage for a truly unforgettable feast. Today we'll turn a simple piece of meat into a masterpiece. No fancy gadgets, just good fun and great food. All you need is a bit of enthusiasm, a trusty grill, and a willingness to try something new. Grilling is about a few simple tricks, a bit of patience, and enjoying the process. It's not just about the end result, but about soaking in the sunshine, sharing stories, and letting the aroma of sizzling steak fill the air. So, grab your apron. If you've ever wondered what to do with a raw steak, you're in the right place. We'll walk through every step, from prepping your meat to achieving that perfect sear. By the end, you'll be a true master of the flame. You'll have the confidence to take on any grilling challenge, and maybe even impress a few neighbors along the way. Forget those dry, chewy steaks of the past. We've all been there, but today, we're leaving those mistakes behind and aiming for something extraordinary. We're aiming for juicy, tender, and packed with flavor. Every bite should be a celebration of all your hard work and a testament to the magic of grilling. Are you ready for the challenge? Splendid. Let's roll up our sleeves, gather our ingredients, and get ready to create something truly mouth-watering. Let's get to the meat of the matter. It's time to discover the secrets to grilling perfection, one delicious step at a time, onward to a cracking good meal. Let's make this a grand day out on the grill, full of flavor, fun, and fantastic memories. First, we need our star, the steak. This isn't just any ingredient, it's the heart and soul of our dish, the centerpiece that will set the tone for everything to come. Choosing the right steak is the first step to a truly memorable meal. Head to your local butcher, where the options are fresh, and the advice is priceless. Don't be shy. Ask for a ribeye, sirloin, or New York strip. These classic cuts are beloved for a reason, and your butcher can help you pick the perfect one for your needs. Ribeye is juicy and forgiving, perfect for beginners or anyone who loves a rich, buttery bite. Its marbling melts into the meat as it cooks, making every mouthful tender and flavorful. Sirloin is leaner, but still full of flavor, offering a slightly firmer texture and a beefy punch. New York strip, on the other hand, is bold and firm, with a satisfying chew and a robust taste that steak lovers crave. When you're choosing your steak, look for one that's, at least, an inch thick. The color should be a vibrant, cherry red, and the marbling, those delicate white streaks of fat, should be visible throughout. This marbling is a sign of quality and will keep your steak juicy as it cooks. Avoid anything gray, dull, or slimy. These are signs the steak isn't fresh. Freshness is key, not just for flavor, but for safety and texture too. Trust your senses. A good steak should look and smell clean and inviting. The marbling, those little white lines of fat, is where the flavor hides. As the steak cooks, this fat melts and bastes the meat from within, creating a juicy, mouth-watering result that's hard to beat. Remember, a good quality steak is half the battle won. Investing in a great cut means you're already on your way to a delicious meal, even before you start cooking. Once you've chosen your cut, bring it home with pride. You've made a smart choice, and your future self will thank you when you take that first bite. Place your steak on the counter like a foundation stone. This is the base of our masterpiece, the canvas for all the flavors to come. Pat yourself on the back for making a great start. Sourcing a quality steak is a skill in itself, and you're well on your way to steak perfection. Now, get ready to prepare your steak for its fiery transformation. We'll season it simply, letting the natural flavors shine, and then it's off to the grill or pan for the magic to happen. It's all coming together nicely. With the right steak in hand, you're set for a delicious adventure, so let's get cooking. Don't rush. Preparation is key. Take your steak out of the fridge and let it sit for 30-60 minutes to reach room temperature. Pat it dry with paper towels. A dry surface means a better crust. Season generously with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper on all sides. The salt draws out moisture and helps form that beautiful brown crust. Let the steak sit while you prep the grill. For your first time, keep it simple. Let the beef shine. No need for fancy rubs or marinades. Your steak is, now, prepped and ready. It looks magnificent. A true work of art. Ready for the fire. Next up, the grill. Let's get cooking. The adventure continues. Time to tame the grill. Whether you're a seasoned grill master or just starting out, the journey to grilling greatness begins with a few essential steps. Let's unlock the secrets to a perfect cookout, one step at a time. Whether you use charcoal or gas, the first rule is simple. Get your grill blazing hot. Aim for a temperature between 230 and 260 degree, or 450 to 500 degree. This high heat is the foundation for those beautiful sear marks and that irresistible smoky flavor. For charcoal lovers, patience pays off. Wait until the coals are covered in a layer of white-gray ash. This means they're at their hottest and ready to cook. Then carefully spread the coals to create two heat zones, one side blazing hot for searing, the other cooler for gentle cooking or keeping food warm. If you're using a gas grill, preheat it on high with the lid closed for at least 10 minutes. Once it's hot, turn one side to low or even off, creating a two-zone setup. This gives you control, perfect for thicker cuts or when you want to avoid burning your food. Next, don't forget to clean those grates. Use a sturdy wire brush to scrub away any leftover bits from your last barbecue. A clean grill not only prevents sticking, but also ensures your food tastes fresh and delicious. After cleaning, oil the grates with a paper towel held in tongs. This simple step creates a non-stick surface, making it easier to flip your food and get those perfect grill marks. Plus, it helps keep your food intact and looking great. Now, the stage is set. Your grill is prepped, primed, and ready for whatever you throw at it. The grill is hot, clean, and ready for action. You're in control, and the possibilities are endless. Your steak is about to make its grand entrance. This is the moment you've been waiting for. The sizzle, the aroma, the anticipation. This is where the magic happens. Grab your tongs, take a deep breath, and get ready to create something delicious. The moment of truth is here. Let's grill. With every sizzle and every flip, you're one step closer to grilling perfection. Place your seasoned steak on the hottest part of the grill. Listen for that satisfying sizzle. Don't move it. Let it sear for 4 to 5 minutes to build a deep brown crust. Close the lid to keep the heat in and cook evenly. Enjoy the aroma and watch the fat render and flames kiss the meat. This is kitchen theater in your backyard. After a few minutes, check for a handsome crust. Resist the urge to peek too soon. Trust the process. The steak is transforming before your eyes. Soon, it'll be time for the grand flip. Get ready. Time for the flip. Use tongs to turn the steak onto the hot zone. Sear the second side for 3-4 minutes for medium rare. Use a meat thermometer, 52-55 degrees Celsius, 125 to 130 degrees at prayers, is perfect for medium rare. If it's browning too fast, move it to the cooler side to finish gently. No thermometer? Try the touch test. Compare the steak's firmness to the base of your thumb. Once it's nearly at your target temperature, remove it from the grill. Remember, it'll keep cooking off the heat. Carryover cooking is real. Place it on a clean board or plate. The hardest part is over. But don't dig in just yet. One last crucial step remains. Let the steak rest for 5-10 minutes. This keeps it juicy and tender. Tent it loosely with foil to keep warm. Resting lets the juices redistribute so every bite is moist and flavorful. Once rested, slice against the grain for maximum tenderness. Cut into thick slices to show off that perfect pink center. Serve as is, or add a dollop of garlic butter for extra decadence. Pair with roasted potatoes, salad, or grilled asparagus. Gather your friends and family. It's time to feast. You've not just cooked a meal, you've mastered the grill. Enjoy every bite. Well done, old chum. Until next time, happy grilling.